Hey everyone, it's Char from Char's Fashion Nation. Y'all know where I am. Oh, look over there. What's over there? What's over there? What's over there? Let's see. And then there's my lap table. A few other things. I'm not done though. But you know what I'm doing, right? Y'all know what I'm doing. That's also why I look like shit right now. So, yeah. Moving back in here. Right now, I have my feet up on an air bed. I got this until I get my new bed. Yes, that's some Cindy Who McDonald's Grinch socks. Good things are coming. Anyway, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. And I will also be doing some nail art soon, just not tonight. I'm tired and I'm fucking sweaty. Anyway, bye.